So first of all, go to your browser extension store and search for BT Roblox. All you have to need add this BT Roblox extension to your browser and make sure to pin the BT Roblox extension. Now go back to your Roblox and reload your Roblox to activate the BT Roblox extension for your Roblox. Once done, click on the BT Roblox extension icon here, and under BT Roblox you have to scroll down and click on advanced. In here just click this drop down, and here show server region, we have to select here region. And now you can just close these settings, and now let's open any experience. From the experience page, I'm just scrolling down and coming to server list, and here we can see the server region showing. So you can hover over on the short form of region, and then you will be able to see the all regions for the server. So this is the Singapore server, and here we can see the United States server region. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.